Alright, this is here for protecting family roots by protecting pack. I'm doing a review on the Tacklife hole saw. I'm putting this table leg in. It's a little depression in here. It's a 3.5 inch hole saw. Fits right. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how this goes. I'm gonna go too deep here because I don't know what's underneath here, but I do need to cut enough to put that table leg in. So let's do it. Try to be as low as possible. Oops. Alright, so I think it's off now. Maybe. Alright, let's keep going. I think I might need new batteries. Alright, let's see. Hopefully I don't cut anything important underneath. So, let's see what's up here. Oh, this is pretty thick. I think it's just foam underneath. But I don't want to go too deep at the same time. That's the thing about these RVs. I think you're supposed to do something, but I think there's a... Let me pry it out. This, just so I can see, because I think I've cut clear of the wood. It's just down to the foam now. Anyways, that's how it cuts. It cuts pretty good. Just being careful what I'm cutting. I don't want to cut too deep into something important underneath. So I'm just going to go with this approach for now. And I'm not sure how deep to cut. Which it kind of gives you a good, inch or two. Probably standard convention. But it looks like there's foam underneath. Looks like I'm pretty safe to continue cutting, so I'm going to do that. Just gotta pull it off this foam that's glued on, and that's pretty much it. So anyways, it's pretty good hole cutter. It's got a lot of sizes. I notice I always buy every single one, and it's expensive. You get this whole thing for $15. One of these are like $3-5 each a piece, and I already have a collection of these, so definitely would definitely get it. 16 pieces. It's in the link below. Click on the description, and thanks.